thin lithium ion battery. You can see here that as we go through all of the details, having the internal rechargeable battery is a nice feature, does leverage a USB Type-C charging cable, comes with your carrying case and all the little accessories that you're going to need. Now this does have a 6x digital magnification, 5x fixed optical magnification. So you do not have optical zoom on this particular unit, just the digital magnification. Your objective lens diameter 34 millimeters. This uses an 850 nanometer IR beam and has a maximum video resolution of 1080p on this particular unit. This does come with a memory card, which is very nice, and this gives you the ability to record photos and videos directly onto the unit. Now, the first thing I can say is your user's experience is vastly different from the recorded footage that you see, so please keep that in mind. As we go through all of the buttons, the middle button is your power button. On the top left-hand side, this increases your IR intensity. Middle button decreases your IR intensity, and the bottom button is the mode. On the right-hand side, the top button increases your zoom, middle button decreases your zoom, and the bottom right-hand corner, that is your OK button. You will use these for multi-purposes depending on what you're trying to do. In the middle, this does allow you to turn the screen on and off. So as you single press the power button, it turns your LED screen on and off depending on what you're trying to do, and especially if you're trying to preserve your night vision. On the bottom left hand corner, if you long press the mode button, this does get into all of your menus. And again, as you work on the right hand side, pressing up and down does allow you to navigate the menu quite easily, leveraging the OK button on the right hand side to get into any one of these particular menus. Now as you work through all of this, again, pretty straightforward. You have the ability to set everything and get it prepared for field use the way you need. Again, not too much to it. But as we get started here with the field use, taking some photos right away, trying to leverage both the standard optical zoom and the digital zoom, doing a fairly nice job. You can pan between the different modes. You have color mode, you have your black and white mode, and then you have each of the IR settings, each having pros and cons, again, depending on what you're trying to do. But at this point, let's turn the corner. Let's get into some of the video footage.